If I had to describe Airwallex in one word, I would say driven.
Driven builders.
Collaborative.
Dynamic.
Growth.
Laser focused on our customers.
Brilliant minds.
The Airwallex Engineering Team have been building the global financial infrastructure and applications that power the business to operate anywhere and anytime. We have been building one of the largest local payout networks in the fintech space, which covers more than 70 countries.
Well, for myself in the spend management space, it's hugely exciting. We are building possibly the world's first global, end-to-end, natively multi-currency financial management platform for small to medium-sized businesses. I can think of few other opportunities or companies in the world that can expose engineers to this kind of global disruptive play.
Our mission of our team is really use data and AI to empower not just the company, but also accelerate our company growth. It's actually a very exciting journey. We are really in the early days of how AI can revolutionize the industry.
We are launching new products, we are expanding to new regions, and we're continuing to go deep to improve and optimize our existing offerings. So for new joiners, that means you are expected to be part of the solution to make bigger and larger impact.
We're a platform of huge breadth and depth and intricate complexity. There are corners of this business that I still haven't really fully discovered after nearly 5 years in the company.
I view our architecture as a large-scale global distributed system. Consistency, latency, reliabilities are all the issues that we have to deal with every day. Not only we need to solve those issues by ourselves, our engineers have to think about how to make it more developer-friendly and provide them with a better and delightful customer experience.
I think the most rewarding aspect of the data team is that we're working on a high-impact project. Every day there is something new to learn. There's always new things, new challenges that we're all very keen to solve.
I would say the technical challenges that we solve are very complex and very rewarding. We try to scale our infrastructure, we work on the security of our cross-border payments, and yeah, just very rewarding to work on projects that both push my own skill but also constantly challenge me to grow.
I personally emphasize a lot on personal growth. If a person wants to be successful at Airwallex, I think one, we definitely need to tie that with business impact, but we also care a lot about how that person is thinking about his or her career at Airwallex.
We have a lot of people come to Airwallex because they've reached a point of saturation in learning in their current roles. And what appeals about Airwallex is there really is no point of saturation here. You're constantly learning, and that's still the case for me.
Well, Airwallex is growing rapidly. That means plenty of opportunities out there. So sometimes we help engineers by pushing them a little bit further out of their comfort zone to help them grow fast. And I believe we have this inclusive culture where engineers can exchange their ideas and learn from each other.
So we're a global business. We make sure that each of our product teams serves customers all around the world. Not only that, we distribute teams in different locations to make the best of the talent pools and cultural leanings of those different locations. It comes together as a beautiful chaos, but it works.
I joined Airwallex like 1.5 years back, and I joined because of its growth story. I find the people here are really collaborative. Although we work across the borders, it feels like a global family, and I think that makes working at Airwallex a breeze.
I think when you're joining Airwallex, be ready to learn, have that thirst of curiosity, that thirst to look for the truth and kind of be hands-on.
My advice is to stay curious. Think big, don't hesitate to propose creative solutions.
At Airwallex we move quickly. We're constantly evolving, we're open to learn new things and embrace the fast-paced environment that we have here.
We are looking for the bright and curious people to join our team. The individuals who are hungry to make the impact and enjoy working in a fast-paced, dynamic environment.
I work in the SME product side of the business, so I'm looking for engineers who are really deeply curious about their customer problem.
I'm looking for the non-stoppers, those who don't settle easily, those who believe in themselves in terms of learning and growing, those who are willing to accept challenges and eager to make an impact.
We are looking for potential future leaders, people that can actually provide key value and really being a key contributor for Airwallex.
If you want to build the global financial infrastructure of the future, come join us.